So you want to be this content creator and you want to start creating content and really diving into this content creation life. But you have a hard time adopting the identity of being a YouTuber or a content creator. Like, it just feels icky and you just don't like it. You can't even fathom it because you're not even creating content. If that sounds like you, I have some advice. So hi, I'm Justine. I created content for 6 years. Technically speaking, way longer because I was with this camcorder, but we won't go into that because I'm not going to put out my age. However, I've been creating content on YouTube for 6 years. And there's a lot of things that I want to share with you about creating content. Feel free to follow my page. But the real reason why I'm making this video is because I used to be that person. I used to feel icky when people were like, oh, you're a YouTuber? And I used to be like, no. Don't call me a YouTuber. Because being a YouTuber is just like, oh, you think you're going to make it in life as this person who creates content? Like, people just came off as very judgy. And I'm just like, we're not going to do that. But the moment that I was receptive to say, yes, I am a YouTuber, it took me a couple of years, but we're not going to talk about that. However, the identity does matter. If you create content, you're a content creator. If you create content on YouTube, you're a YouTuber. Doesn't even matter if your content is private or you haven't done it. If you started your channel, you're a YouTuber. Just embrace the identity. And the reason why you want to embrace the identity is because it's necessary for what you do next. See, the thing is, when we reject the identity of who we want to be in the career that we're deciding, you're not going to get it, or you're going to get things that you don't want. We have to move in a way that if we're this YouTuber, step into your power and accept it. The only reason why it feels icky is because nobody follows you. Like, let's just keep it real. But instead, think about the version of you who has, let's say, for instance, 1 million subscribers on your channel. You're making money passively, and you are so excited to show up because this is now your career. That version of you that has the YouTuber, has the following, creates the content that she loves, like, would you be cringy if somebody says, are you a YouTuber? Or would you be empowered to saying, yes, that's exactly who I am? The latter portion of the identity is who you want to be. And to be honest, we have to become the thing that we want now before having it. I'm telling you, that whole identity thing steers into every aspect of our life. Most of the time, people are moms before they become it. They are wives before they get married. They're girlfriends before they get into relationships. You have to become the person that you want to be first before actually having the thing. So if you're watching this content, I already know that you're a content creator and or a YouTuber. Embrace it, because if you're successful at it, you wouldn't feel cringy or embarrassed by that title. So start stepping into your power, honey, because listen, if you don't, somebody else will. And if you need help truly adopting that YouTuber identity, and you want to optimize your channel, you want to start getting paid by YouTube and Google, you want to be found in search by millions of people, and you don't want to waste your time creating content that nobody watches, I did it with my other channel. You can go, feel free to check it out. If you need some credentials, I'll put it in the captions. And if that is you, I have a free training on my page. Feel free to go check it out. I walk you through the 3 simple steps. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, where you can optimize your channel in a couple of months and create content that gets seen by millions of people. I've done it and I've taught other people how to do it too. So if you're interested, feel free to go check it out on my page. I hope to see you there.